Hello guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Success Nathaniel and this channel is SN Crypto World. So right now in this video I will be showing us how to earn by prediction, you understand. So before that, if you are new to this channel, please consider hitting that red subscribe button, like give this video a thumbs up and comment to this video, you understand. So right now in this video I will be showing us how to earn money from this site. Initially I've made a video on this platform and I showed us how to make money from it. Like I'll be dropping the previous video link at the description, you understand. So I'll be dropping the previous video I made from this site. I'll drop the link at the description so that you can go ahead to watch in details how the site fully works, and so. But right now in this video I'll be showing us how to earn, how to withdraw. We're going to do a live withdrawal from this site. Let's confirm yes if this site is actually paying, because right now as you can see my balance, I'm having a open amount of 8,000 naira and 8,000 naira, so which I'll be withdrawing right now to see if this site pays, you understand. So I'll just click on this withdrawal. Then after the withdrawal I'll go ahead to show us a little light on how the site really works. So I'll just click on this withdrawal button right now. So this withdrawal button, I'll actually link my bank account with them, so that will show us here that we can withdraw through our local bank and through cryptocurrency, which is the USDT. So right now for the interest of this video I'll be withdrawing through my bank account, which I've already linked with them. As you can see here, it's showing GTB and this is my account number. So right now if you go down below, before withdraw you can go proceed to read the withdrawal information here, read everything here, so that to get to know the rules and regulations guiding the site. As you can see here, they say the withdrawal amount is ranging from 3,000 to 500,000. So that means once you have 3,000 in this site, you can proceed to withdraw, you understand. So right now I'm having 8,000 naira already, so I'll just go ahead to place a withdrawal. But I'll be withdrawing, let me prove the amount I want to withdraw. I'll be withdrawing, let's say 4,000, so I can use the rest to be predicting, because you must have you must have a particular amount, you must have an amount in this site for you to able to withdraw, you understand. So I'll just withdraw, let's say, okay, let me just withdraw 5,000, you understand. Let me just withdraw 5,000, because yeah, so I'll be left with 3,000. That 3,000, that's what I will use in predicting more game. Like I'll use to assure us how the site fully works. So once I put the amount I want to withdraw, and I'll click on the withdraw button, and they said okay, please enter your login password. Okay, yeah, while signing in there's a password you created. So once you put the password, they say you click on this confirm withdrawal. So fast they say please ensure your balance, enter your password. Okay, to secure your balance, sorry, enter your password. I'll just click on this confirm withdrawal. As you can see here, it said withdrawal request successful. So we will complete the withdrawal within 2 hours. Okay, please wait patiently. All right, so I'll just click on confirm, and as you can see here, this is the withdrawal record here, and it's showing processing, which I place the amount of 5,000 naira, guys. That's how to withdraw from this side. So we're expecting the amount, the balance, as they say, that it's next 2 hours. And what's the time right now? We have 4 this after 4, like a minute after 4, you understand. So that means 2 hours from now should be by 6. Maybe probably I might pause the video when I got paid. I'll show us the withdrawal proof, you understand. So right now this is the amount I have so far, 3,000 naira here, and I will proceed to show us how this site works as we wait for the withdrawal to arrive, you understand. So right now, for you to earn from this site, as I showed us earlier there in the previous video, I'll just throw a little light there. If you want to get more about it, the link of the previous video will be at the description. So for you to earn from this site, after you make a deposit of 3,000, 1,000, 2,000, depending on the one you want to deposit, by clicking on this deposit icon. Once you click on the deposit icon, you can start from 2,000, 3,000. And one good thing about this site is, once ever you deposit, they will give you interest of that money. Like if you deposit 5,000, they will give extra 5,000. If you deposit 2,000, they give extra 2,000. So that's to increase your balance, to enable you what earn more, you understand. So this site is totally good, and we're just to venture into this site. So right now, once you sign up, get your account ready, always put your stake at this 5 minutes. We have the 1 minute, we have the 3 minutes, and we have the 5 minutes. So always put your stake at this 5 minutes. So we'll be going with the 5 minutes, because we'll get our prediction from their signal group, and their signal group is always for 5 minutes group trading. So I will show us the signal group right now. So once I will show us this, you need to note. You understand? Once it's 5 minutes, there's a period number which you have to note before placing the color you have to pick. So right now the number going right now is 193, which is the last number of this period number the arrow is pointing at right now. So let's go to the group. So the group will now tell us either to pick green, this is the green color, or the red color. So anyone they ask us to pick, that's one we are going for. And once we pick that one, if they predict where they will aim, we both aim. But if they lose, we both lose. You understand? So I'll just go ahead. The time is counting, which is the 5 minutes. So we have 1 minute left. So let me quick and join the group and see what they have in the group. So the group says 19. I will copy the group signal in the group also, in the discussion also. So this is the 193, and they said we should stick on green. You understand? So we should take on green. So I will just go to the site now and predict green. So this, I'll just click on this arrow here that says green here. Once I click on this green, a box will pop out for me to paste and to choose the amount I want to predict with, because each game you are each color you are taking, you predict amount with it. So I'll just click on green. Look at the box just come out. Once you click on green, everything entire will be green. You understand? So if you choose on red, everything entire will be red. So since the itself should take green, I'll take green. Then you go out and put the amount. So the amount here, you'll be seeing 1 already in the box. You understand? So once you put 1, it signifies you are staking 100. You understand? So once I put 2, yes, when I say fine, you will see 200 here. Once I stake 3, you'll be seeing 300 here. So depending on the amount you want to put, so just be aware of it. Okay, as you can see now, my notification box, the 5,000 just popped in now. You understand? So let me just stake this game before this game goes up, and let me put 2. I'll show the balance. I'll just put 2. This 2 I put here just signifies 200 here. So that means I've staked 200. I'll just click on the green button here and see bet succeed. So I've staked the 200, and right now my balance is now 2008. You understand? 2008. So it's counting 5 seconds down because the time is almost out. You understand? So another 5 minutes I've started counting. Okay, they say yes, sorry, you lose. You understand? That means we actually lose the bet. So don't worry, I'll show us what to do so that you recover whenever you lose. You understand? So that's how the game is. It's about more of losing and more of earning. So it's not like 100% earning. You understand? But one thing is sure is that the rate of winning is higher than the rate of losing. So that's it. So right now, look at the withdrawal I just got now from my GTB account here. As you can see here, I just withdrew the 5,000 naira have been credited so far. So guys, this site actually pays. You understand? So there's no so it's not to show how legit this site is, and it'll be a long site. There's no delay on it. You understand? So guys, urge and get started in this site. So right now we've confirmed withdraw from this site. So right now, once we've predict okay, no, sorry, we notice that the site is not even take up to 2 hours before the payment drop. It's just like 5 minutes you receive your payment. So once you predict, and you see I predict 200 for stage 1, and the thing was lost, like I did not get it. You understand? So what next you have to do, next stage is the stage 2. So there will be, well, let's go to the signal group now. They'll bring another stage, which is stage 2. That means the first one you did not get it. So that means the stage 2 you should double the amount you stake. They say we should go for red at the stage 2, and look at the period number 194. So the number is just counting according, like the initial one you stake was 193. So this one is 194. The next one will be 195 after we predict this one. You understand? So right now I'll just go ahead and predict red. You understand? So which is in this stage 2. This stage 2 just like double the money you've predicted. You understand? So that you will recover the last one. Like now I'll predict red following the same step I showed us, and I'll put, since I put 2,200 and I lose, I'll put 400 here, which is, I'll just type only 4. So this one now signifies 400. Let me show you. So which I showed us earlier. So this 4 now signifies 400 here. You understand? So this 4 now, that means if I should win this 4, I'll be getting 800, which is times 2 of my money. You understand? So if I get 800 now, that means my prediction, I've recovered even the first stage which I lose. So that does it. If I actually lose in this stage, I will go ahead to put maybe 6, which is 600, so that I will recover the 2 money too. So that does it. That's why I say this you'll be earning from this site actually. So that's it. Once you done putting the amount you want to stake, click on the color, you understand, click on the color. Let me do the app. Just click on this the button here, you understand, the amount here, just click on it, then it will show stake succeeded or successful. So I'll just click on it now. As you can see here, the stake has been taken. So we are waiting for the next 5 minutes, which we have 2 minutes more here, like 2 minutes more to count down. Then we'll check what if I've actually in. So as you can see, my balance also have been taken out, and I'm having 2.4, you understand. So which I'm expecting 800. That means if this stake should go accordingly, you understand, according to the signal group, I'll be having like 3,200 here, which is extra 200. Remember, we're having 3,000 initially after the withdrawal. So I'll just like pause this video to the countdown of 5 seconds, then we'll see what we get here. Guys, as you can see right now, my balance, there's an increment. It was 2.4 before, you understand. So I just made an initial win of which top up to 2.9, but it was I forgot I paused the video. So I actually want to make a win so you guys will see for yourself before ending the video, you understand. So that's why I have to come back here. So actually, I'm going to predict the next one. We have 1 minute left. The period is 203. I think by now we should know what I mean by the period, which is that's 3 digits here. So they said in the signal group they have dropped signal already, which is 203, which is stage 3. So that means they no win the last 2 games, you understand. So the stage 3, they say we should choose red, you understand. So I'll just go to this site and predict red. I show also you to predict red, you choose this red icon here. If it's green, you choose it. This is just the 2 colors they are taking, you understand. So I'll just click on the red now and put the amount I want to go with. So I'm going with 2. I'll put 2 here. So once I put the 2, that means 200. When I take the 2 here, that means I should be expecting them to give me 400 in return, you understand. So we have few seconds to go. So which is so my balance now is 2,700, you understand. So if this 400 to work out through the prediction there, that means I'll be having 3-1 over here. So let's wait for some seconds to count down. So I'll be dropping the link of this group, the signal group, link to this site, registration group, and the link to the previous video which I've created, and also my WhatsApp group, so you can join all of these and not miss any update, you understand. So also my WhatsApp group, which I do drop all these updates, and guys over there are not missing, you understand. So make sure you click the link and make sure you follow every step I show in this video. So we have like 10 seconds down right now. So let's hold on and see if our prediction of red for 5 minutes is accurate, you understand. So we have 1 second left, and right now, boom, we are waiting for the results. So guys, congratulations, can see here. So I'll be congratulated with, this should be 400 actually, but they do take out 8 naira, which is 382. So right now, as you can see, the site pays actually. So I'll just refresh my page. I'm having 31, which I showed you guys. So that's how it is. Once you click on the group description, you will be earning more from this site. So guys, this is what I have for you today. If you find value in this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up. Share this video, drop a nice comment in the comment section, and please subscribe to the channel if you've not. So see you guys in my next video. Meanwhile, I'll still continue with the prediction on my own, so you can also do that. So the next prediction is 204. So right now in the group, I'm still waiting for them to drop the prediction, so I'll do that later. So thank you guys for watching this video to the very end. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.